Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to connect a custom domain to Wix. First, ensure your domain is registered and you can access its settings through your domain provider. Next, log into your Wix account and navigate to the Domains section. From there, you will select the option to connect a domain you already own. This initial step is crucial for a smooth setup process, guiding you directly to the connection options. The easiest way to connect your domain is by using name servers. Wix provides two unique name server addresses in your account's domain section. You will copy these two addresses and then paste them into the DNS settings of your domain provider. This method fully delegates your domain's DNS management to Wix, simplifying future record updates and ensuring seamless integration with your website. Another option is the pointing method, which is useful if you need to maintain other DNS records with your current provider. With this approach, you will update your domain's record to Wix's specific IP address. Additionally, you will set the CNAME record for www to point to www, your domain.com. This method offers more control but requires a slightly deeper understanding of DNS configurations. After updating your domain settings, it is important to allow up to 48 hours for the changes to fully propagate across the internet. You can monitor the connection status directly within your Wix domain management dashboard. Once the domain is successfully connected and verified, the final step is to publish your Wix website, making it live and accessible to everyone using your custom domain.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.